airplane? Very good. How about the duck? Where's the duck? Where? Point the duck. Where's the elephant? Oh, that one. Very good. Where's the fish? The fish. Where's the fish? Yeah, very good. How about the xylophone? Where's the xylophone? Very good. The penguin. Where's the penguin? Very good. Where's the butterfly? The butterfly. Butterfly. Very good. The ice cream. Where's the ice cream? Ice cream. Okay, very good. Where's the monkey? The monkey. Very good. How about the zebra? Zebra. Very good. The violin. Where's the violin? Very good. Where's the shoes? Shoes. Shoes. Very good. Oh, where's the watch? Watch. Watch. Very good. The grapes. Where's the grapes? Grapes. Very good. That one, what's that one? Huh? House. Very good. The lion. Where's the lion? No, that's the rabbit. Wait, ang lion. Where's the lion? Above sa penguin. Uy, ang lion. Above sa penguin. Where's the penguin? No, not that one. This one is the lion and the kangaroo. Okay. Where's the umbrella? Umbrella. No, umbrella. Oops, natumbang bibi. Where's the umbrella, babe? Show me the umbrella. Come on. Where's the umbrella? Where's the violin? Violin. Very good. Where's the yacht? The yacht. Oh, very good. Where's the juice? Where's the juice? Juice. Juice. Oh, very good. Orange. Oh, very good. Telephone. Where's the telephone? Hello, telephone. Very good. Where's the cat? Where's the cat? Very good. Clap hands. Perfect.